Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Igama likayise benendodana nomoya ogcwebileyo. Namhlanje ngiyafisa ukuba sibuke ivangeli lika Lucas, Luke chapter 17 verses 11 to verse 19. Luke 17 verses 11 to verse 19. As Jesus made his way to Jerusalem, he went along the border between Samaria and Galilee. He was going into a village when he was met by 10 men suffering from a dreadful skin disease. They stood at a distance and they shouted, "Jesus, Master, take pity on us." As Jesus made his way to Jerusalem, he went along the border between Samaria and Galilee. He was going into a village when he was met by 10 men suffering from a dreadful skin disease. They stood at a distance and they shouted, "Jesus, Master, have pity on us." Now, there are a few things. There's so much that is in this text. The few things I just want to bring to our attention. The first one, he was going into Jerusalem, but he went along the border between Samaria and Galilee. There probably are two things there. Uyaphi uJesu? Uyaphi uNkulunkulu? The intention was Jerusalem. Wayeya eJerusalema. Kodwa endleleni kwakhona ahlangana nabo. It always fascinates me. Wayeya eJerusalem. It always fascinates me ukuthi uNkulunkulu meets us along the way and he heals us. He meets us along the way and he redeems us. He meets us along the way and he comforts us. He meets us along the way and he teaches us. Kunalento ehlezi isenhlizweni yami ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzokufica ngendlela ebese kwenzela umusa. Write this down for me. uNkulunkulu uzokufica or uzongifica ngendlela ebese engenzela umusa. uNkulunkulu uzongifica ngendlela ebese engenzela umusa. Yabona, there's something so fascinating about me ukuthi uNkulunkulu somehow uhlangana nabantu endleleni. uNkulunkulu mezokwenza isimangaliso uzohlangana nawe endleleni. Kukho nokwenzayo, uzohlangana nawe endleleni. Kukho noqhukuza ukwenza, uzohlangana nawe endleleni. Kukho nozama ukukulungisa, uzohlangana nawe endleleni. Ukhala, uzohlangana nawe endleleni. Ngeke akufice uhleli phansi uyidabukela. uNkulunkulu uzongifica ngendlela ebese ngenzela umusa. He will meet me along the way and he will show up. He will show his mercy. He will heal me. He will forgive me. He will bring me along with him. He meets me along the journey. And for me, there's something important there. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu akakuthole ngendlela. Kukhona lento evame ukusho abantu abadala ukuthi mntanami mawugula ungalali phansi. Ukufa akukufice ngendlela, akungakufici ulele phansi. Usizi alukufice ngendlela, alingakufici ulele phansi. Izimo azikufice ngendlela, asingakufici ulele phansi. Ungavumi into icindezele. There is the word. Ungavumi into icindezele. Write this down for me. ungavumi isimo sicindezele, ungavumi into icindezele, ungavumi usizi lukucindezele lubukise ngawe, ungavumi ukuhlupheka kucindezele kubukise ngawe, ungavumi inhlamba zabantu zicindezele zibukise ngawe, ungavumi izinto ezishiwo ngawe zicindezele, ungavumi izinto zicindezele. Azikuthole ngendlela. Yabona, there's something so powerful. If you go to the Gospel of Mark chapter 10, the healing of Bartimaeus, lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu wathi uJesu esembiza wathatha ingubo ayegqokile wayilahla. Kwesinye isikhathi kubiza ukuba ngiyilahle lento engicindezelayo, kwesinye isikhathi kubiza ukuba ngiyilahle lento ebengiyitshela ukuthi iyona engifudumezayo, kubiza ukuthi ngiyilahle lento ebengiyitshela ukuthi iyona ezongisiza ngoba iyona vele ebingicindezela. Khona izinto ekubiza ukuthi ngiyilahle bengaboni mina ukuthi ziyangicindezela, bengithi ziyangisiza, kodwa ngokuhlangana nenkosi uJesu then ngarealize ukuthi kahle kahle lento ibingicindezela. Kunabantu ebengiyitshela ukuthi bayangithanda, kodwa kuthe mase kuphakama isimo thizeni ngarealize ukuthi kahle kahle abantu abangishayile abaseduze kwami. Kunabantu ebengiyitshela ukuthi bazokwenza yonke into okanye nami, kodwa kuthe mase kuphakama izinto ngacabanga ukuthi kahle kahle umuntu obeyisitha yilona ebengishade naye. Yabona ithando zami, ngiyayithanda le nkonzo uNkulunkulu asambulela yona. Ungavumi isimo sicindezele, ungavumi into icindezele, ungavumi ukujwayela. Khona lento eshuwa abantu abadala abahlakaniphile bathi isijwayezo siyayigqilaza ingqondo. Isijwayezo siyayigqilaza ingqondo. Familiarity brings contempt, because into sengiyijwayele sengiyenza noma ikanjani, into sengiyijwayele ayisangithusi, into sengiyijwayele nobubi bakhona ngisenendaba nabo, into sengiyijwayele. Yingakho isijwayezo sigqilaza ingqondo. Kunezinto ebese zenza la ekhaya sacabangi ngoba vele sikhule zenziwa gogo nomkhulu. Kunezinto ezenza ula ekhaya asacabangi ngoba uanti noma nomalume bebezenza. Kunezinto ezenzayo la ekhaya ngoba sikhule kuyinto kuwumkhuba owenzeka la esontweni, kuyinto kuyiculture eyenzeka la emsebenzini, and you soon realize mase kufika umuntu ethi but lento eniyenzayo anibonini ukuthi yanilimaza lana la. Abanye bethu banenkinga, kanti kahle hle isijwayezo siyayigqilaza ingqondo. Khona lento uJesu angenzela yona ewumusa. Ngimbuka eya eJerusalem, kodwa endleleni kuvuka lomhlabelelo uthi ngikhumbule Nkosi yami. Athi lapho babiza abanye bawungibize nami athi ngikhumbule Nkosi yami. Lapho usuwenza umuse ngathi nami ungangenzela. Kuvuka le nkonzo kumina ukuthi namhlanje ekseni sengathi uNkulunkulu mevuka ukuyokwenza izinto afuna ukuzenza, athi medlule ngakwakho, athi medlule ngakuwena, athi medlule eduze kweingane zakho, athi medlule eduze komuzi wakho, akakuza ukrabalaza, akakuza ukhala, akakuza umemeza, akakuza ukhuleka. Ebesethi uNkulunkulu bengezile kuwena, kodwa ngoma sengize ngakubona angisale sengikwenzela. Bengezile kuwena, kodwa ngoba sebeze bangixoxela ngawe angisale sengikusiza. Bengezile kuwena, kodwa ngoba usizi lwakho sengiyalibona angisale sengikusiza. Sengathi uNkulunkulu bengakwenzela abekade engahlosanga ukuthi uzokwenza namhlanje. Khona le nkonzo uNkulunkulu engiyibone yenza engithusayo. Ngithi mina ubengaqondile. Inhloso yakhe bekukuya eJerusalema, kodwa ngoba utheme edlula kwase kuba khona lento emthunukayo. Utheme edlula kwase kuba khona labantu abamemezayo. Utheme edlula kwase kuba khona labantu abambonayo. Engathi uNkulunkulu angathi medlula namhlanje athunukwe usizi lwakho. Athi medlula namhlanje athunukwe ukhala kwakho. Athi medlula namhlanje kube khona lento emtshelayo ukuthi awusengize ngala. Yabona khona lento engiyithandayo eyenziwa abantu. Athi umuntu, I had no plans ukuthi ngizodlula ngikubone, kodwa ngoba sengize ngala ngicabanga ukuthi angisale sengidlula sengikubingelela. Bengena plan ukuthi ngizongena ngikhokhe, kodwa ngoba sengize ngala angisale sengiyokhokha. Bengena plans ukuthi ngizodlula, kodwa ngoba sengize ngala. Oh my God, I like that word. Sengize ngala. Umoya ongcwele. Engathi bengaya uNkulunkulu emkhulekweni ngithi Nkosi ngoba usuze wadlula. Ngithi Nkosi usuze wafika. Ngithi Nkosi ngoba usuze wabangala salusungikhumbula. Bangaki kuthina namhlanje ekseni eindebeni zolimi labo kunomkhuleko othi ungikhumbule Nkosi yami. Uthi Nkosi uzungikhumbule. Uthi Nkosi uzungikhumbule mina nomuzi wami. Sho njalo ngelinye ilanga uDavide mekhuluma noJonathani athi bengiyini mina Nkosi ukuba ungithande kangaka. Athi nomuzi wakwethu buyini ukuba usenzele umusa. Khona lenkonzo eshiwo yikhehle elidala athi bengiyini mina Nkosi ukuba ngikhunjulwe wena. Khona lenkonzo eshiwo uZakheyus bengubani mina Nkosi ukuba ukhumbule umuzi wami uvakashele. Kunale nkonzo evukayo enhlizweni yami ukuthi Nkosi bengubani ukuba ngifumane umuso ngaka. Ngakho mina kuvuka lenkonzo ukuthi bebebangaki namhlanje ekseni abakhule kumkhule ukuthi Nkosi uzungikhumbule. Hayi ngoba nakho ngenze kahle. Hayi ngoba nakho ngifanele. Hayi ngoba nakho ngingcwele, kodwa ngoba nakho ngiyadinga. Ngoba nakho ngixakekile. Ngoba nakho ngifuna umusa wakho. Sho njalo uDavide, sho njalo ikhehle elidala. Lithi bengubani mina Nkosi. Lithi nomuzi wakwethu buyini ukuba wena Nkosi ungasikhumbula kangaka. Ukuba wena Nkosi ungasenzela umuso ngaka. Ukuba wena Nkosi ungazambula. Yazi khona isikhathi esayisifika empilweni yami ukuthi bengubani mina Nkosi ukuba ubungenza imangalise ingake emndenini wakithi ngomntwana wami. Thandwa zami, yabona khona eminye imizi la uthola khona ukuthi kuyaphikiswana kune-competition, kodwa uthola ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzoke akubusise. Uthola ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzoke akuphakamise. Uthola ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzoke enze imangaliso ngempilo yakho emndenini, angayenzi ngawe. Wena waziwa njengesehluleki, wena waziwa njengesiyabhuyabhu, wena waziwa njengesidakwa, wena waziwa njengento engafundile, wena waziwa njengento engenamsebenzi, kodwa uNkulunkulu avedana avusa umusa kumntanakho. Athi ohlakaniphile athi nakandlwana. Athi nakandlwana. Athi umusa uyavela. Athi nalalingekho khona iqhude. Athi kuyasa. Uyabazi abantu asebecalculateile. Uyabazi abantu asebe-write off. Uyabazi abantu abathi vele sibanibani useless. Uyabazi abantu emndenini ekwaziwa ukuthi vele usibanibani akamsebenzi walutho. Vele usibanibani noma ngakhona noma ngangaba khona vele ayikho into azoyiletha. Avedana uNkulunkulu akubusise. Avedana uNkulunkulu afihle ihlazo lakho. Avedana uNkulunkulu azibonakalise ngomntwanakho. Kweminye imizi angakwenzi nangengane yakho, ayokwenza ngomzukulu. Ayokwenza ngomzukulu. Wena uhlulekile, abantwana bakho bahluleka, wena uyinto engayilutho engaziwe engafunwa nabantwana bakho bagcwele inhlamba avedana uNkulunkulu ayovusa umzukulu avuse olunye uhlobo lomuntu bonke ukube bebazi bebeyokhothama kulomzukulu. Hey, bengubani mina Nkosi, nomuzi wakithi ubuyini kuba ungikhumbule kangaka. Kunale nkonzo engihleli kuyona ukuthi uhlangane nabo endleleni. Bengeyona iplan ngokubuka kwami. Uhlangane nabo endleleni, ube yele eJerusalem umntaka Maria. Kodwa kuthe sasendleleni wahlangana nalabantu maqedane wathi khona umusa kumele ngiwushiye la. Yazi mina nginalomkhuleko ukuthi namhlanje ekseni mama uvuka uvukela kwesinye isimo, namhlanje ekseni uphaphamela kwezinye izinto sengathi angathi medlula ngendlela ebesedlulela emzini wakho. Angathi medlula ngendlela ebesehlangana nawe uyofuna umsebenzi. Angathi medlula ngendlela ahlangane nawe usakhala uxoshiwe. Angathi medlula ngendlela ahlangane nawe ubalisa ungenamali. Angathi medlula ngendlela ahlangane nawe ukudla kungekho endlini. Angathi medlula ngendlela ahlangane nawe uyokhokhela izinto zabantwana. Angathi medlula ngendlela ahlangane nawe usabalisa ngesimo somyeni endlini. Angathi medlula endleleni ahlangane nawe usabalisa ngesimo sonkosikazi oxakekile. Akathi medlula ngendlela ahlangane nawe usabalisa ukuthi kanti mina Nkosi kwenzakalani kumina. Kodwa akathi medlula ngendlela khona le nkonzo uNkulunkulu ayivusayo, akathi medlula ngendlela. Ubozwe izalukwazi ezindala zivuka ibalisa zimvusa zithi ayayayay vukani bantu abami sekusile. Uyabona abalaleki lemizi either 4 room noma 2 room ababelala bebaningi kubo, babelala ema bedroom, bazibalala nasema kitchen, balala nakuma dining room. Wawuzwa kahle umuntu omdala mesevukile, ayivukani bantu abami vukani ningaze neqiwa abantu, kungaze kufika abantu banqonqoze banifice nisalele. Vukani bantu abami. Akuthi makufika umuntu angafika umuntu anificenilele moya ongcwele. Akuthi mafika namhlanje uNkulunkulu akathi medlula ngendlela, akathi makhona la abizwe khona, akuthi makhona la ayosiza khona, akuthi makhona la adinga ukuyobabona kwiplan yanamhlanje anifice nani senilindile. My God, listen to this. Khona lento evuka enhlizweni yami. Position yourself in such a way ukuthi igrace likaNkulunkulu malifika lingakushiyi. Lalela into engifuna ukisho sithando sami. Position yourself in such a way ukuthi umusa kaNkulunkulu umufika ungabe usakushiya. Position yourself in such a way ukuthi mawufika nabakade bona makuthuba uphelezela umuntu eyawe interview, makuthuba uphelezela umuntu eyobheka umsebenzi, gqoka in such a way ukuthi nabarecruitayo abakubuke bayitshele nawe ukuthi uzobheka. Noma kuthiwa khona omphelezelayo, abarecruitayo abakubuke nawe bathi hawusibona na ungeni yini, besithi na uhlelo lala, ngoba ngenzeka uthi uyamphelezela umuntu kanti lo mphelezelayo yena ophelezele wena, ngoba isuku lomusa likuwena. Position yourself in such a way that when the grace of God comes, you are found worthy. Position yourself. That's the word for me. Position yourself. Position yourself. Khona umusa kaNkulunkulu umufika ukufumanise ufanele. That's the word. Position yourself. Position yourself. Wherever you are, whatever you do. Sithando sami, awulazi usuku lomusa. Awulwazi usuku lomusa. Awulwazi usuku la uNkulunkulu eyokwenzela umusa ngalo. Awulwazi usuku la uNkulunkulu eyosondeza umuntu ozoshintsha impilo yakho forever. Always position yourself. Position yourself. so that nokuficayo ayitshela ukuthi vele ubulinde lolu suku, so that nokuficayo ezoyitshela ukuthi vele ubulinde yena, so that nokuficayo ezoyitshela ukuthi vele ubusuredi. Position yourself. Anytime, every moment, position yourself. Noma kuthiwa kwenzakalani. Yabona ubobuka abantu who are in leadership. In leadership, there's one great principle. Always be ready. Always be ready to be called to task. Any leader, any great leader has that principle. You must always be ready to be called to task at any given time. There must never be a time when I'm caught without knowing. There must never be a moment when things happen engazazi zenzeke kanjani. That's why lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu, always be ready, always be watchful, always be alert, always be on your guard. You must always be ready. And the word for me, position yourself. Khona lento eyenziwa abakama ngesandla, my God, they always position themselves. Bayazi ukuthi njoba ngila ngifuna ukuhlangana nalo ngoba ngifuna ukuya la. Position yourself. That's the principle. Be wise as serpent, be humble as doves. Position yourself. Akuthi maqhamuka isikhathi somusa sikufica usulungele. Akuthi maqhamuka igracia likufica usulungele. And the word is so simple. Position yourself. Position yourself. Now there's something powerful as well. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu eJerusalem, but along the way it goes along the border between Samaria and Galilee. My God, I like the word. It goes through the border. Through the border. He went along the border between Samaria and Galilee. Are you aware ukuthi the people of Samaria and the people in Galilee were once one family? The people of Samaria and the people of Galilee were once one family. These were Jews. These were people who belonged to one family. Zingane zomuzo wodwa, zingane zekhehle lodwa. Go back to Solomon, that is their grandfather. Go back to David, that is their great-grandfather. It is only after ingane kaSolomon labafana ababili abamakhosi sebexabana sekuhlukana kingdom. One takes 10 kingdoms, and one takes 2 kingdoms, and one goes to Samaria and one remains in Judah. But they were one family. Babebizi ikhehle lodwa elalungu Solomon, babebizi ikhehle lodwa elalungu David. Kodwa namhlanje there is a border that separates them. Kodwa namhlanje khona inzondo bahlukanisayo. Kodwa namhlanje khona izinto eseyidala ukuthi bangabhekani. They were once one family. Bake babiza ikhehle lodwa elungu Solomon. Bake basondela esithebeni esodwa. Makuthiwa senzela ukhokho wethu uDavide bebedla iqathe lodwa. Makuthiwa senzela umkhulu wethu uSolomon bebebiza belala endlini yomunye ngoba ngiyazi ngilele endlini yomfowethu. Makuthiwa bayasondela bebethi ngisakhuphuka ngisaye emzini kababa mkhulu. Makuthiwa khona into efanele yenzwe sakhuphuka sayokwenzela ikhehla lethu elungu Davide. Namhlanje abafunani bayazondana. Namhlanje abahambelani bayathakathana. Namhlanje bahambisana inkantolo. Namhlanje ababhekani. Ingozi lento. Ingozi lento ngoba bekuyingane zandawonye lezi. Ingozi lento ngoba bekuyingane zekhehle lodwa leli. Bekuyingane ebeyikhula ndawonye. Yabona thina abanye bethu abaqhamuke abathatha entweni. Siqhamuke emndenini ebekuxakekwe kuyona. So into ekade ikhona ibisetshenziswa yiwona wonke umuntu. Thandwa zami, bambalwa abantu abazalelwe elokishini. Iningi lizalelwe ngaphandle kwaselokishini, o abazalelwe elokishini uthola ukuthi abazali bethu. Uthola ukuthi mhlambe ekhaya khona oyedwa nje owathenga umuzi. Bambalwa kuthina abazalwa kunemizi ewu3 ewu4 ewu5 emalokishini cha. Mhlambe kunalo muzi owodwa wathengwa. Kwase kuthiwa nanti ikhaya elisedolobheni, then kwazalwa abazali bethu khona, kwazalwa nathi khona, then uthola ukuthi wonke umuntu ubela khona leli khaya, uthola ukuthi wonke umuntu udlule kulona, khona leli khaya uthola ukuthi wonke umuntu uhlale kulona, khona leli khaya uthola ukuthi noma yini kumele yenziwe uqale la. Avele isibusiso lelo khaya kodwa avele nezinkulumo lelo khaya, avele isibusiso lelo khaya kodwa avele limaza lelo khaya, ngoba abaningi abaphile ngalelo khaya abakwazanga ukulinakekela. Abaningi abaphile ngalelo khaya bathi mase bephumelele bese beyalithuka. Kona abanye abantu ukuthi izinto zabo mase bahambela kahle bese beyathuka, isandla sike sabafunza. Khona abanye abantu izinto zabo mase bahambela kahle bese bethuka beluma isandla esike sabakhangeza sabanika ukudla. Khona abantu abamadlaba ngoba izinto sezihamba kahle sebekhohliwe umusa abake bawufumana. Ngoba izinto sezibahambela kahle sebekhohliwe ukuthi bake baxakeke. Umuzi omunye umuntu ethi vele ngangancingile, umuzi omunye umuntu ukuthi vele kwakumsebenzi wakho, umuzi omunye umuntu ethi vele wawufuna senze njani, umuzi omunye umuntu ethi vele wawufuna siyephi, umuzi omunye umuntu vele kwakufanele ukwenze lokho, umuzi omunye umuntu uthi mawukuthi wawufuna ukungikhokhisa ke imali ofuna ngikhokhele na. Khona ezinye izinto that money cannot buy. Khona ezinye izinto engadingi imali yami. Khona ezinye izinto engadingi imali yakho. Khona ezinye izinto engadingi hey thandwa zami, khona abanye abantu we will never be able to pay them. Noma ngathiwa sinamamiliyoni, we will never be able to thank them because imali can never substitute who they've been in our lives, because imali can never substitute what they've done in our lives, because imali can never substitute ubukhona babo enhlizweni zethu. Uyazi mina ngihlezi ngithi mina khona abanye abantu abayisithwalo empilweni zethu. And ngisebenzisa igama lokuthwala in a positive sense. Khona abanye abantu abayisithwalo empilweni zethu. Labo bantu so long as ubanakekela impilo yakho iyohlezi busisekile, so long as bengahlupheki impilo yakho iyohlezi busisekile, so long as bengakhali impilo yakho iyohlezi busisekile. Khona abantu abanjalo emndenini yethu, khona abantu abanjalo empilweni zethu, khona abantu abanjalo emphakathini. NgesiZulu sothi isithwalo loyana. Ngoba so long as right ngeke sixakeke la ekhaya. Hence I always go back to this word. I am blessed in order to be a blessing. Khona omunye umuntu akasoza axakeka so long as ekhaya kukhona ukudla. So long as ekhaya abasele bengakhali ngokudla. Thola ukuthi nje ekhaya khona ukudla, akasoza axakeka lo muntu. So long as ekhaya benakekelwa. Yangithusa mina lento. Uthi namhlanje uJesu walks along the border between Samaria and Galilee. Mebuza uJesu ukuthi hawu abase Samaria lapha, abase Galilee lapha, bese liyamqhweba ikhehle elidala limhlebela lithi Hayi mntanami, sizalwa yikhehle lodwa ukuthi nje khona abasuke bangenwa inkonzo yokuhlukanisa. Sizalwa yikhehle lodwa ukuthi nje kwaba khona ingxabano. Sizalwa yikhehle lodwa ukuthi nje kwaba khona impakamo. Sizalwa yikhehle lodwa. Kwesinye isikhathi ithandwa zami, kubhlungu ungazwani komndeni. Kubhlungu ukuhlukana phakathi komndeni. Kubhlungu ukuxabana komndeni. Kubhlungu ukubuka umndeni owuthandayo hlakazeka phambi kwakho. Kubhlungu ukubuka ukushona kwesalukwazi ebese ubona ama-true colors ey'ngane zala ekhaya. Kubhlungu ukushona kwekhehla ebese ubona ama-true colors ey'ngane zala ekhaya. Kubhlungu ukuhlukana komndeni. Uthola ukuthi makwamaholidi sasisuka sonke siyovakashela ugogo. Makwamaholidi sasisuka sonke siyohlala kagogo. Makuvalwe izikole sasisuka sonke ngephasika ngoKhisimusi siye kagogo. Moya ongcwele, moya weqiniso, bengisacela ukuhlala ngikhulume nalabantu esashiya bona emakhaya sekuyibona abayitshela ukuthi umuzi wasekhaya sekumuzi wabo. Yabazi labo bantu abasala ekhaya bayitshela ukuthi umuzi wasekhaya sekowabo. Kanjani? Ngoba abasafuni nje size. Abasafuni singene. Abasixoshi. Kodwa mawukuthi siyeza thina abanqeni uvedane bahambe nabo. Bathi ngizobe ngingekho, ngibhizi. Masifike ekhaya sesafika sihlangabezwa ingidi sesiyatshela ukuthi ukhiye sowuthathaphi. Hayi ngoba nakhu ebhizi, ngoba nakhu engasafuni ukuthi size ekhaya. Khona abanye abantu ekuthe makushona uma, makushona ubaba, kwayibona abahlala endlini base beyitshela ukuthi lo muzi sekowabo. Uyalazi ikhaya ebelichwaza wonke umuntu obeyakhona. Uyalazi ikhaya ebelichwaza lidlala izingane namhlanje liphenduke amanxiwa ngoba akasafuni izingane zethu zize, sekuze zakhe kuphela. Ngoba akasayifuni izingane zamadodakazi zize, sekuze zakhe kuphela. Uyamazi umuntu oxoshe wonke umndeni wancamela ukuhlala yena nentombi yakhe nezingane zentombi yakhe nabantu bakubo kwentombi yakhe bahlala bagweva nekhaya lakithi. Have you ever been in a position ukuthi sengi-homeless ekhaya ngoba ekhaya ubhuti umalume usehlala nezintombi zakhe kanye nezingane zezintombi zakhe? Yamazi umamncane noma umamkhulu osehlala ekhaya nesoka lakhe nezingane zakhe. Bancamela ukuthi kuhlale bona noma izingane zikagogo zize la ekhaya. Bancamela ukuthi kuhlale bona noma thina abantwana begceke sisondele. Khona isidalwa esiwumuntu esiyingozi kumina esincamela ukuthi kubole izinto. Yamazi umuntu oncamela ukuthi kubole izinto egcekeni, kubole izinto efrijini kunokuma kudla abanye abantu, athi ngafane kubole noma kudliwe labo bantu. Akuyona inhliziyo embi leyo nto, kodwa ubulwane nje obunobunja ongeke ubuqonde. Yangimangaza mina lento. Bekuzingane zandawonye. Zingane zenkosikazi eyodwa, zingane zekhehle lodwa, kodwa namhlanje ayisabhekani. Namhlanje abasafunani. Namhlanje abasakwazi ukuhlalelana. namhlanje abasakwazi ukubekezelelana. Yabona ayikho into ebuhlungu, ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuthi nihleli nangu umfowethu nangu udadewethu sihleli thina siyazwana kodwa izingane zethu ayifunani. Thina esibadala besithandana, thina esibadala besivakashelana, thina esibadala besenzelana umusa, kodwa bona bafunani, kodwa bona ababhekani, kodwa bona bayabulalana. Bangithinta mina namhlanje umdaka Maria. Luke chapter 17 from verse 11 to 19. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu waye eJerusalem, kodwa along the way between Samaria and Galilee. Ngiyamthanda methi he was going into a village when he was met. Listen to that word. He does not meet, but he is met. Akahlangani kodwa ibona bahlangana naye. My God, it is a passive tense. Into eyenzeke again. He was met by 10 men. Listen to this. This is powerful. He was met by 10 men suffering from a dreadful skin disease. Yazi kunento engithintayo. He was met by suffering men. Apha amadoda agulayo. Aphi amadoda agulayo. He was met by 10 men suffering from dreadful disease. Apha amadoda akwazi ukumemeza uNkulunkulu ngoba exakekile. Yabona ithandwa zami, khona lento esilimazile esithe masikhula sathi indoda ayikhali. Khona lento esilimazile esithe masikhula sathi indoda iyabekezela. Khona lento esilimazile esithe masikhula sathi indoda does not show weakness. Khona lento esilimazile esithe masikhula sathi indoda does not show his feelings. Namhlanje we are stuck with amadoda anjalo emshadweni. Namhlanje we are stuck with amadoda anjalo in positions of leadership. Namhlanje we are stuck with amadoda anjalo emabandleni ethu. Namhlanje we are stuck with amadoda anjalo in government. Namhlanje we are stuck with amadoda anjalo at work. We are stuck with amadoda who are emotionally unavailable. We are stuck with amadoda abangakwazi how to feel. We are stuck with amadoda angenalo uzwelo. We are stuck with amadoda when you are going through issues, they cannot relate because they were told as children, you cannot own up to your feelings. We are stuck with amadoda asithi anobunja, kanti we train them ukuthi as a man you do not feel. We are stuck with amadoda who cannot show emotions ngoba sabatshela ukuthi showing emotions is a sign of weakness. We are stuck with amadoda who are abusive in relationship because sabatshela ukuthi wena ukwazi ukubhekana nesimo. Khona ezinye izinto ezifikayo emshadweni, khona ezinye izinto ezifikayo emndenini that needs someone who is emotionally strong, that needs someone who is able to deal with ama emotions ethu, kodwa amadoda wakwazi ukwenza because we train them. not to show emotions. We said to them, showing emotions is a sign of weakness. We showed them ukuthi showing ukuthi uyahlupheka is a sign of weakness. Sabatshela ukuthi indoda ayikhali sulinyembezi. Yingakho abafana bethu, yingakho amadoda ethu, yingakho abayeni bethu, yingakho ama-leaders ethu are emotionally unavailable. They do not know how to feel because as children they were told this is not for you. Them sithi amadoda anobunya, anolunya, anobunja. Sithi amadoda awazweli. It's because we train them as boys never to be in touch with their feelings. We complain about GBV, but we don't want to go to the root cause. But lo muntu is not in touch with their feelings. You know, certain people go to psychology, certain people go to therapy, certain people go and they go for counseling, and you realize ukuthi lo muntu emotionally akekho. Ingane lengidila na. Lo muntu intellectually is brilliant. I mean, this guy is brilliant. This guy is a leader. This guy has achieved. This guy has accomplished. Because mentally, they're there. Intellectually, they're there. But emotionally, they are babies. Bayakasa. Because ingane ithe mikade idlala yalimala, mikhala ibuye izokuza kumama, kuthiwa yayihamba wena mnqolo, hamba suka kunina. Ithe ingane mikhala ilimele, sathi umfana akakhali. Ithe ingane milinyazwa abanye abafana, sathi wena basabana abanye abafana hamba olwa nabo. Ithe ingane inyukubezwa, yangakwazi ukubuya, seza thina sayihleka, sathi uzodlala abafana wena uzophenduka intombi abanye abafana. And we were never fully present to a boy child. We were never. Not always. But sometimes the problems of GBV, the high rate of divorce is a result, are the fruits of terrible parenting. Ithini esamenza lo muntu kuba emotionally unavailable? Ithini esamenza lo muntu abe not in touch with ama feelings akhe? Ithini esamenza lo muntu ukuthi sign of showing emotions is a sign of weakness? We were never present to say it's okay to cry, my child. Let me ask an interesting question. How many of you, how many of us are comfortable ukuhlala nomyeni wakho ekhala phambi kwakho? How many of us are comfortable to sit with your partner, male partner, and let them cry in your presence? How many of us are comfortable with that? Ukuthi he can come, he can cry. Thandazama, ukuba indoda does not mean we robot. Ukuba indoda does not mean you are super something. Ukuba indoda does not mean you are distant from your feelings. Ukuba indoda does not mean izinto azikushayi. Ukuba indoda does not mean you do not carry the burden. I'm not saying women don't do that. Women do that all the time. But I'm not talking about that. I'm just talking about men. How many of us can sit with them and let them cry and say, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Mfethu emsebenzini bayangixosha. I don't know what else to do. It's okay, baby. Mfethu sibanibani ushonile. It's okay. Mfethu, I do not have means to do this. It's okay. How many of us are able to do that? And we cannot cry and say they are emotionally unavailable. What are we doing about it? What are we doing about it? And that's something very important to me. Now, what fascinates me, these are men ayofuna usizo kuJesu. Mfethu, khona abanye abantu okunzima ukuyobheka usizo. Khona abanye abantu okunzima ukuthi bayocela usizo. Bayasaba, abazi bazolicela kanjani. Abazi bazolicela kanjani. But what fascinates me, this is a group of men. My God, the mere fact that they are a group, they have one thing in common: dreadful skin disease. Ukuhlupheka kwabo, usizi lwabo has brought them together. Ngenzeka ukuthi abazani, kodwa they know ukuthi now une-skin disease, nami ngine-skin disease. Now unochoko, nami nginochoko. Now uyagula, nami ngiyagula. Now ulimele, nami ngilimele. Why is it so hard for men to go for therapy? Why is it so hard for men to go for therapy? Yazi khona abanye abantu besilisa bangancamela ukufa noma bayesibhedlela. Bangancamela ukufa kunokuba baye esibhedlela. And why is it so hard? Why can we not allow it? You know what fascinates me is to realize that these men are suffering from something so powerful. They have one thing that brings them together. Ubuhlungu. They have one thing that brings them together. Usizi. They have one thing that brings them together. It's their plight. Ukuhlupheka kwabo brings them together. La madoda mina ayangithinta. They have a skin disease, and possibly they've been rejected, and possibly they've been thrown out, and possibly they've been given names, bathukwa. Kodwa into engiyithandayo ngabo abatekibali. Yazi into engichazayo, akekho noyedwa ozayo ezosixoxela ukuthi hey ningibona ngila sebengithuke kaningi. Ningibona ngiphambi kwaJesu nonkosikazi wami ubethi ungayi baba laphana uzosibukanisa nabantu. Ney'ngane zami bezingicela zithi baba ungabakhombisa abantu lento ngcono sidile nayo thina la ekhaya. Uyazi khona abanye abantu abakubonayo uxakekile uthi uyofuna usizo bathi ngeke baba abantu bazothina, abantu bazosibuka kanjani, ngcono lento thina siyilungise la endlini. Iyangithinta mina le group of men, because they have one thing in common. Sixakekile. They have one thing in common. Angisazi ngizokwenza njani. They have one thing in common. Usizi lwethu. Ngithanda. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu, they stood at a distance. Have you ever experienced a rejection so much in your life that every opportunity you meet, you look it through the lenses of rejection? Let me say that again. Have you ever experienced a rejection in your life? That every person you meet, you think they are going to reject you. Have you ever experienced ukuthi nalona uzongilahla, nalona uzongithuka, nalona uzongihleka, nalona uzobukisa ngami? Ubokuhamba uye emakliniki noma uye ibhedlela. I pray to God abasekho abahlengazi abanjalo. Uthi uyakuyena umxoxela inkinga yakho, avedane athi angizwanga ukhulumele phezulu, wena nkuzi uthini? Uthi uyakhuluma, uyamchazela, uthi hey musubhedela wena, ngangingekho mina lapho, wena wawukhulelwa, wena wawenza ukuthi, buku usunjani manje? Uthi uyamchazela, akuhleke, wena wabona intombi ihleke emfuleni, abizoza kwabathi hey anizeni la nizongizwisa ukuthi uthini lona. Leyo nto evama ukwenziwa uthisha kanye namanesi namaphoyisa futhi. Yabona khona le mentality, le group mentality, abantu abasebenza nabantu abaningi. Awusani lapha anizongizwisa, wasani lapha anizongivezela lento, uthini wena ngane, uthini wena bani? Thandwa zami, lamadoda, they've experienced so much rejection, they've experienced so much pain. They stand at a distance. Why? Maybe because they are scared. Ngoba before bake basondela abantu babakhuza, bake basondela abantu babathuka, bake basondela abantu babaxosha, bake basondela abantu bababiza ngamagama. Mhlambe namhlanje sebeyesaba ukuthi inkosi ngisafuna ukusondela kodwa ngiyesaba. Ngiyesaba, ngenze njani? Khona ezinye izinto namhlanje, khona enye impilo namhlanje engiyiphilayo, hayi ngoba nakho kwakuyimpilo yami, ngiyiphila ngoba ngiyesaba. Ngangenjena mina, ngagilwa. Khona abanye abantu namhlanje baphila impilo yovalo nokwesaba ngoba bagileka. Khona abanye abantu namhlanje baphila impilo bengayitsheli bonke bayiphile ngoba bagilwa abantu ababeyitshela banamandla phekwabo. Now it fascinates me, they stand at a distance. Sometimes we don't want to do that. Sometimes we don't see that, we run away from that. At a distance, abafuni ukusondela, bayesaba. And these men, they stand at a distance and they shout. Bayamemeza bathi Jesu iba nomusa kumina. Master, Nkosi yami iba nomusa kumina. Iba nomusa kumina. Thandwa zami, yangithinta le ndaba ukuthi they stand at a distance. They stand at a distance and they ask. They stand at a distance and bacela umusa kaNkulunkulu. They stand at a distance. Bangaka abantu who are emotionally distant. Physically, bahlezi bekhona. Physically, they check in. But emotionally, they are at a distance. Aba engage nathi. They are at a distance. Abakwazi ukuhlala nathi. They are at a distance. because balimele, because bayisaba. Ngizokutshela mina something isandwa zami eyenzeka emshadweni. Uyazama, uzame, and every time uzama, you are rejected. Uzame, you are rejected. Uzame, you are rejected. Eventually, you give up and you say, okay, sengiright. Sengizame kwanela. Sengiright. Because i-argument is simple. Ngizamile nje. Ngiyazama. Kodwa seemingly ukuzama kwami akwanele. Ukuzama kwami akukuhle. And so I may as well ngidlule. I may as well ngibayeke. I may as well ngibazibe. They stood at a distance. Bokuye ekhaya ngelinye ilanga. Ubuke nje around. Ebese uyayibuza ukuthi bangaki who stand at a distance. Omunye usukumgonile la eduze kwakho. Kodwa they are far away in thought. Abanye benziwa into esengqondweni zabo uthola ukuthi ingqondo yakhe ayikho la. Abanye ukulimala inhliziyo yabo ayikho la. Abanye uqobo lwabo lonke alukho la. Because they are not there anymore. And they cry out, they say, have pity on us. Khona lenkonzo eyenziwa ilabo baba bayalibona usizi lwabo. Bayazibona ukuthi sebehlehlile. Bayazibona ukuthi balimele. And this is a turning point for me. Bayofuna usizo. Now, this is when things happen. Ngikhuluma mina nomuntu othi ngizofuna usizo mina Nkosi. Ngizofuna usizo mina Nkosi. Ngizofuna ungisize mina Moya Ongcwele. Abantu abazi ukuthi I've been so distant. Abantu abazi ukuthi I've been so hurt. Abantu abazi ukuthi mina my divorce was so painful. Abantu abazi mina ukuthi ukulahlekelwa kwami umsebenzi has killed me. Abantu abazi mina ukuthi ukulahlekelwa uma has changed izinto. Abantu abazi ukuthi izinto engidlule kuzona zingilimazile njengomuntu wesifazane. Abantu abazi ukuthi ungamgoni umntwana has caused me so much pain. Abantu abazi ukuthi mangisekhaya ngidlala nezingane zabafowethu nodadewethu kungilimaza kanjani to realize ukuthi mina ngisophinde ngikwazi ukugona ingane. Abantu abazi, kodwa namhlanje ngiza kuwena Moya Ongcwele. Kodwa namhlanje ngiza kuwena uNkulunkulu wethu. Kodwa namhlanje ngiza kuwena Jehova namandla ngithi Nkosi ngicela ungisiza. Khona lenkonzo ebalekile eyenzakalayo la umuntu ethi kodwa Nkosi sengicela ukusizwa nguwena. Nkosi ngicela kube uwena ongenzela umusa. Ngoba I acknowledge ukuthi I've been so distant. I acknowledge ukuthi kade ngihlehlile. I acknowledge ukuthi kade ngingekho. I acknowledge ukuthi I am unavailable. I acknowledge ukuthi mhlambe sengibashiyile abaningi, kodwa namhlanje bengithi Moya Ongcwele ngicela ungisiza. Kodwa namhlanje Moya weqiniso bengithi ngicela ube nami. Kodwa namhlanje uNkulunkulu olalelayo bengicela ungiphilise. I've come to a greater realization ukuthi ekhaya akukho ukuthula ngenxa yami. I've come to a greater realization unkosikazi wami akaneme ngey'nqumo engizenzayo. I've come to a greater realization ukuthi abantwana bami ekhaya abekho happy ngenxa yami. I've come to a greater realization ukuthi abanalo ikhaya because of ama-decisions engawathatha. I've come to a greater realization ukuthi umuzi kababa ufile ngenxa yami, and namhlanje ngithi Nkosi ngicela ungisize. Akekho omunye ngifuna ukumblame, akekho omunye ngifuna ukumlahla ngecala, ngoba ngiyazazi la engenzanga khona kahle, ngiyazazi nezinto engayiziba, ngiyazazi nezinto engayilimaza, ngiyazazi nezinto engayikhuluma bengazi, ngiyazazi nala engayakhona ukuze izinto zabo ingalungi. Kodwa namhlanje ngiza kuwena Moya Ongcwele ngithi ngicela usizo ngoba sengihlulekile, ngicela usizo ngoba lobuhlungu esengibuka benzeka kubona akuyona into engijabulisayo. Yes, angikwazi ukuya kubona ngixolise, kodwa namhlanje kulomkhuleko ngicela uxolo. Khona le nkonzo eyenziwa yilabo baba, namhlanje ngicela uxolo, namhlanje ngicela umusa, namhlanje ngicela ungenelele. They stand at a distance. They realize ukuthi izinto azisekho right. They realize ukuthi izinto azisafani. They realize ukuthi ama-decisions esiwenzile ezabantwana. They realize ukuthi izinto esizenzile ezumndeni. They realize izinto ezenzile as friends ilimaza abantu abaningi. And namhlanje siza kuwena Nkosi, ngiza kuwe ngidalule konke kwami, mangiziwe nguwe Jesu, lisuliwe icala lami. Nkosi, ngiza kuwe ngidalule konke kwami, mangiziwe nguwe Nkosi, lisuliwe icala lami, zisuliwe nezono zami. Nkosi, ngiza kuwe. Khona lo mkhuleko ohleli kumina. Anginendaba ukuthi abantu sebetheni, anginendaba ukuthi abantu bazothini, anginendaba nokusaba abantu, kodwa ngithi Nkosi, ngiza kuwe ngidalula konke kwami, zesuliwe izono zami. Nkosi, ngiza kuwe ngidalula konke okwami, zesuliwe izono zami. Nkosi, ngiza kuwe ngidalula konke okwami, zesuliwe izono zami. Lenkonzo iphakathi kwami noNkulunkulu. Ngiyalazi icala lami, ngiyalazi iphutha lami, ngiyakwazi engakwenzanga okuhle, ngiyakwazi efaneke ngikulungise. Namhlanje ngiza uNkulunkulu ngidalula izono zami. Namhlanje ngiza uNkulunkulu ngidalula konke kwami. Namhlanje ngiza uNkulunkulu makazesule izono zami. Yebo Nkosi, ngiza kuwe ngidalula konke okwami. Yebo Nkosi, ngiza kuwe ngilimele. Yebo Nkosi, ngiza kuwe ngidalula konke kwami, mangiziwe nguwe Nkosi, zisuliwe izono zami. Khona le nkonzo uNkulunkulu angibizela kuyona eyokudlula kumuntu, eyokuqonda angenzanga kahle, eyokuqonda angikhulumanga kahle, eyokuqonda ukuthi namhlanje Nkosi ngiyavuma angenzanga kahle. Namhlanje Nkosi ngiyavuma angikhulumanga kahle. Namhlanje Nkosi ngiyavuma ngathatha ngenhliziyo. Namhlanje Nkosi ngiyavuma ngathatha ngokucabanga okunganeno. Namhlanje Nkosi ngiyavuma lesule icala lami. Ngiyaxolisa, cela usizo. Ngiyaxolisa, yiba nomusa. Ukube angenzanga kanjeya, ngabe usaphila uSibanibani. Ukube angenzanga kanjeya, ngabe lisakhona ikhaya lethu. Ukube angenzanga kanjeya, ngaba ngimenzanga uSibanibani abesilwane ayisona namhlanje. Yebo Nkosi, ngiza kuwe, ngidalula konke kwami. Mangiziwe nguwe Nkosi, lisuliwe icala lami. Yebo Nkosi, ngiza kuwe, ngidalula konke kwami. Mangiziwe nguwe Nkosi, lisuliwe icala lami. Asikhuleke. uNkulunkulu somandla, isebe Nkosi yethu uJesu Kristu, qalisi nomphelelisi wezinto zonke. Namhlanje kuseni ngiza kuwena. Namhlanje kuseni sizokhuleka. Namhlanje kuseni ngiyazendlala. Namhlanje kuseni sibeka ubuze bethu phambi kwakho. Namhlanje kuseni sizovuma asenzanga kahle. Namhlanje kuseni sizovuma asikhulumanga kahle. Namhlanje kuseni sizovuma sithathela izinto phezulu. Namhlanje kuseni sizovuma sisuke sathatha ngobuntu bethu. Kodwa yebo Nkosi, ngiza kuwe, ngidalula konke kwami. Angifuni Nkosi ukuza phambi kwakho ngibalisa. Angifuni Nkosi ukuza phambi kwakho ngigxeka oSibanibani. Angifuni Nkosi ukuza phambi kwakho ngiba nezaba ukuthi Nkosi kunje ngenxa kaSibanibani, kunje ngoba oSibanibani bathi. Kodwa ngifuna ukuthi namhla Nkosi ngiza kuwe, ngidalula konke kwami. Namhla Nkosi ngiza kuwe, ngiyazendlala. Namhla Nkosi ngiza kuwe, uyalazi icala lami. Namhla Nkosi ngiza kuwe, uyalwazi usizi lwami. Namhla Nkosi ngiza kuwe, uyasazi isono sami. Namhla Nkosi ngiza kuwe, uyakwazi ukungcola kwami. Namhla Nkosi ngiza kuwe, uyazazi inqumo engiyithathile. Namhla Nkosi ngiza kuwe, uyazazi izinto esengene kuzona. Namhla Nkosi ngiza kuwe, uyabaza abantu esengibalimazile. Namhlanje Nkosi ngizocela uxolo. Namhlanje Nkosi ngizocela umusa wakho. Namhlanje Nkosi ngizocela isihawu sakho. Namhlanje Nkosi ngizocela intethelelo yakho. Namhlanje Nkosi ngizocela amandla amasha. Namhlanje Nkosi ngizocela ukubona kangcono. Namhlanje Nkosi ngizocela inhliziyo emnene. Namhlanje Nkosi ngizocela inhliziyo enothando. Namhlanje Nkosi ngizocela inhliziyo exolelayo. Namhlanje Moya Ongcwele hlala nathi. Namhlanje Moya weqiniso zambule. Namhlanje uNkulunkulu wethu selaphe. La singenzanga khona kahle siphilise. La singakhulumanga khona kahle sinqande. La silimaze khona baphilise. uNkulunkulu somandla benathi sibusisa sivikela sikhayisele sinikeza amandla akhe ngegama likaYise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Amen.